Good afternoon, children. Welcome to online computer class. Now we will start with our second lesson. Last time in the second lesson we have seen how to move the icon, how to change the background of the desktop and arranging desktop icon. Okay, in the last session. Now today we will see the remaining part of the second lesson, that is second lesson is understanding videos. Okay children, now what is remaining? Now changing screensaver. We will see how to change the screensaver. First I will explain you what is screensaver. Screensaver is an image which pop up on the computer screen whenever a computer remains idle for a short time. See, when your computer is on, you're doing some work. Okay, that time screensaver will not come. When you're sitting idle, you're not doing anything on the computer and your computer is on, that time after some 5 minutes or 2 minutes, your screensaver screens comes on the monitor, that is screensaver. I will show you how it looks. Okay children, see this way the screen comes on the monitor when you are not doing anything, sitting idle, you are not touching computer keyboard and mouse. That time you get this type of screen, or any other, some bubbles come or your name scroll on the screen, that is called screensaver. Now how to get the screen, how to change the screensaver, or how to set the screensaver, that I will teach you now. See, and to come out of this screensaver, you have to press any key or just move your mouse. You will get back to the normal screen again. Okay, now we will see the steps to change the screensaver. First, right click on the blank area of the desktop. Okay, what you have to do, you have to right click. Then after that you will get one personalize option on the screen. That personalize, see the shortcut list, shortcut menu you will get. In this shortcut menu you have to click on the personalize option, you can see there. Okay, click on that personalize option, you will get a personalized dialog box. Okay, like this screen you will get on the monitor, this window you will get. Okay, in this window you can see here, see the screensaver I have highlighted in the orange box. Okay, that on that option you have to click. Screensaver option is there in the personalized dialog box. Screensaver option is there, click on that option, you will get like this screensaver setting window. Okay, click on the drop down arrow in the screensaver option. Can you see in the screensaver setting window, there is one screensaver option below and bubble is written over there. Okay, you just have to click on that drop down arrow and you will get all the options of screensaver, different options. Okay, list you will get. Out of that you will select any one option which you want of your choice. Click on that. Here, see, here bubble is selected. Okay, and down there is one option, that is wait for 1 minute. 1 minute timing is set. Okay, so how much time you want to set for the screensaver, that you can set here. 1 minute, 2 minute, that you can see set, and then just click on OK. You will get, see, a click on the preview button to watch the preview on the full screen. See here one preview option is there, you can see preview. Okay, to see the screensaver whatever you have set to on the full screen, you click on the preview button. Click on this preview, you will get a full screen preview like this. See, we have set a bubble screensaver, so you will get like this bubbles on the screen. This is a screensaver. To come out of the screensaver, you have to just move your mouse or else click on the window. You will come out of this screensaver window. To the normal desktop you will come. Okay. Now see, move the mouse to come back to the screensaver window and set the time in the wait box. As I showed you wait box, 1 minute, 2 minute, how much time you want to set, you can set there, and then click on the OK button on that screen. Okay, screensaver window, OK button is there. You just click on that OK, the screensaver will get set. Okay, now we will see shut down the computer. How to shut down computer? Shutting down means turning off a computer. When your work is finished, you want to shut down the machine, right? To shut down the computer, you just have to click on the start button. There is one option called shut down. On that you have to click. Okay, shutting down means what? Turning off a computer. To shut down your system, you have to follow the following steps. Following steps are given. See, click on the start button. You have to click on the start button, then select the shutdown button. The system will take a few seconds to shut down. Your system will get shut down. Okay, shutdown button you have to click. Now children, we will start with the activity. See, we have completed this lesson. Okay, shutdown was the last option. Changing screensaver and shutdown we have completed. Our lesson is over. Second lesson is over. Now we will do today one activity. Okay, activity of opening WordPad, and we will type a list of application software and write the usage of it in the WordPad. Last time also we have done the activity of opening WordPad. I have explained you the steps. So today also we will revise this activity of opening WordPad. Now we will see how to open the WordPad. The steps also last time I explained to you. Today also I will explain the steps to open WordPad. Now, how to open WordPad? Click on Start button. Click on All Programs. Click on Accessories folder. In the Accessory folder, there you will get WordPad option. Click on that WordPad. Okay. Now just see here. Start button. Can you see there is one arrow? I highlighted start button. Okay. Click on this start button. Then all program option you will get. Click on this all program option. After all program, you will get a program list. In that, you will get an accessory folder. Can you see that accessory folder? Orange box are highlighted. Okay. See, click, open it. It is a folder. You have to click on that. The folder will get open. Now, in that folder, you will get a WordPad option. Click on that WordPad. You will get a WordPad on the screen. See, this is the WordPad. Okay, this is the WordPad window. Can you see document WordPad? Okay, in this WordPad, there is a cursor on the blank area, blank page. There is a cursor. From there, you will start typing. Okay, so what you have to type? You have to make a list of the application softwares. I taught you what is application software. Application softwares. Which are the application softwares? MS Paint, Word, WordPad, yes, Notepad, Calculator, Games. These are the application softwares. So you write down the name of it and write one line of usage of the each application software, like MS Paint. MS Paint, what you do on the MS Paint? We draw picture, color the picture. Okay, so like this you write in the WordPad. Okay children, so today we have completed one activity also, and we have finished our lesson number 2. So children, I hope you understood lesson number 2, and now see, at home you read this lesson once again. Do this activity at home. Okay children, have a good day. Bye.